Oguno bunuzi bwensinke nyanji ya Kigezi Nyamurunga no mugezi nko mutizi n'amagezi ampinga ko rugezi akwato mu rukizi.
Yeah, tambura mwa.
Yeah. Ba big boss ne bampa salute buri hinkutora binama nka papa katut ebiwawa no bichenga koramo onteje na matungu tere rap ziri hot.
Right, so isn't tuenda kumanya. Right now audio muntu like tumazira kire kahwire abantu tutachukura almost kurga mutitira antone bebuza yes ntumanya karo byo mcho kwega. So right about now hati wamazire, is there anything new ako tu inire kandi industry no jurebota
industry so far ya Western Uganda timbi munonga abana bari no bakora some good music echo ano gamba nyenda ku correctinga matabuzire
abantu mwana
this year maybe one yoti buri mwaka ntukwenda shows ebishongo nka bitano
wagira sino inoguma.
Yes, because January nkabahereza cyeshongo tukutandika mwaka maybe abonaburamu but recently nyine cyeshongoro nabacheta ijatunywemu
ako kabasa kubana kankwata hako
so tunywemu
what's about
kiriyo trending ncho kiriyo kitambura mu style yacho
atambura bata
it's nkoko na kigambira ijatunywemu yoza YouTube kironde noza kuba no kifuna kurungi munonga. Yes, chikunyume necho shongo kirungi munonga buzima shana wano nonda makapera.
Anyway, so abantu style yokora yeah tambura mwa.
Yeah, ba big boss ne bampa salute buri hinkutora binama nka papa katut ebiwawa no bichenga koramo onteje na matungu tere rap ziri hot gagari amazina baby niwo zina yeah leje hate baby don't tukoma oga.
Yes, so umuntu naibuza style yokutera, it's a style teri so common here in Western Uganda nanka hip hop like a style yabantu ibari getting accustomed to. How has it been, because you are one of the founders?
Anyway, abantu maybe nkoko nagambira nti inchirungi kwegesa abantu bakachimanya hip hop ne yahayi ekatanchira Ankole iwe tokumanya ebitontomendo mumanya
like our local kwevuga sort of
yes warebo kwevuga kare na hip hop no real difference
local poetry
indeed. So okwevuga katandikira Uganda katandikira Africa katandikira Ankole wano manya kwevuga manyangu ekintu kyari munecha hip hop. So hip hop ne yitu na president wihanga na wonore na atera hip hop. Then what about me, Ema?
So na ngibasa ku flow.
Yes, ni unawasa ku flow ngano manya kutontoma. So ninkora hip hop konka erimu ebirungo bingi munonga. Ninkora hip hop erimu drums zitu za muri Ankole, harimu drums za mahanga gandi, but generally ninkora style ya hip hop ya bongo flava style.
Okay, by the way, you're so versatile to an extent with bongo, because every time I'm talking about bongo flavor in demand, this is something that has the Tanzanian origin.
Yes,
and so in some of your songs, you know, like how is that? How does that come into your music? Like being multi-language, multilingual.
Nchirijira when you composing a song, lyrics okuzikuiza nkokuzandika because I'm so versatile in languages. I can rap in Kiswahili, Runyachitara, Ruganda, Spanish, you know, different languages. So nchirijira vibe kwekuija. Kind of course my like what I'm targeting ti market yamba running Western Uganda. Of course nyenda Uganda bamanye, East Africa bamanye. So it's why sometimes no rebeshongo byanje birimu oruswahili, sometimes oshanga mnende mezinde ezimutakuchenga.
Abantu binakaze ko kugira ngo one okori nyankore no gumana okori nyankore bebwa kumanya ngo some people, different people have different kind of views and how they view things different. Kusanga umwe you are targeting the streets of Kisenyi, someone is targeting the whole world. Like what is the contrast between the two?
Ati niza kukacho kuna nyine cheshon bacheta omutima. Halimu za Kiswahili and Spanish, you understand? So nagambira amahanga gukurikiriza oruspana abaze kwani bavyinga cyeshongoro cyanje nabantu binje munonga. So it means music needs creativity kugira ngo ogire cyo watekamo, because omuswahili nakura umukonga hure wa Kenya hure. So Kiswahili ni amani munonga as long as nobura ko orujungu ano manya kutera raps za orujungu. Of course sometimes no asa ku mixinga mukache kugira ngo takatagatinga market ya hambara yonka ninga Western yonka. Of course target ebe diverse.
So then still which versatile is kuitera kwa versatile now to sport, like jogging, sport and music, because you are one of the people you are one of the faces as it's so common when it comes to sport. Like how is it?
Guy, it is winning quite a bit binge.
And it's good.
Yes, being a sports journalist, being a musician, you know, never to be I'm also a business person. So never to be Now about sports ngambech.
Like sports, like right now, no you should balancing with that because abantu no sanga. If I'm like nani ya music, I'm so attached to music. Then no ndicho sanga wa sport na ya music atakufucha man. Like what's so different about you kugira ngo no byona no byenda.
Multi talented. Nimanye bintu bingi munonga bro. And I've been in this industry for some good years. You understand? So ogambe rompira okuhereza amakuru g'ebyemizano omundi mzona, you understand, ninchikora because niguo murumo gwanya actually okuhereza ompira ama radio chechandesira seen before music.
I remember back then.
Yes. So washanga ngo ine talents zawezo ine no balancing because ara abantu kunkunda nka Ema Nomweshongozi inabo kunkunda nka Ema omugambirizi w'empira ninga a sports journalist. So ina kunkunda mbya business. So one of my ebintu bingi balancing go bikore because nowadays I believe I'm just here because of my talent. So wo ine talent yoyo ine iwo munono wanje ariyo natureba NKORE Media ninga NKORE TV. Wo ine talent yoyo ine fafagana talent yawe jeyo abantu bagimanye neza kuyamba. Of course ne kusyaho no kwenda. Kuchitari echo nanyesha kantaria.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Prince Ema for you. Sport, from sport to business, from business to music. Music is done in different languages. Man, this is a talent that as an Ema talent says to is so rare because it's rare kusangangu almost in Uganda have someone who can do those things at the same time. So
just no kuremera bro. Nkoko nabagambera iwano echo kubanza yame no kweyichirizamu because right now asa kushanga utakumana oyishongora. But maybe you have that talent in you and you don't know it. So oyezure waiza kwe discoveringa buri kimwe nkiza kwanchitambura kurungi mnonga.
So I want you to start from here before I let you go. Ogunenya yageze mana nyanya bakanye bire byo ngaka imakwesongora gayo takansara.
Oguno bunuzi bwensinke nyanji ya kigezi nyamurunga no mugezi nko mutizi namagezi ampinga ko rugezi akwato mu rukizi. Omwana ni mukunda nka juice yakatunda tiyama aturenda na rukondo ninjiri na nawo takubyenda umutima taguhenda abandi tinkubenda niwe nkonko nindonda happiness tinkuronda bakunda richness no nyigamara case ebyanje niyo boss conditional hankiwe nimbigamba tine wire na.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Brady Sparks for you and Brady Sparks 9 Savage camera see when you see us.